different root beers today to try out. And I invited my dad to come try them out with me. See, like old styles and new styles.
I'm kind of a connoisseur of root beer, so
Yeah. It's the best drink, root beer.
So you got Dad's root beer.
His root beer.
What you got here? Triple X. Huh. Okay. And Gene Autry root beer. Old singer.
Oh.
And then some other Sioux City root beer. Okay. We'll start with that one because I'm familiar with that one for sure.
I've never had any of these.
Aroma. Not bad.
You like it?
Not bad.
I've never had any of these. So this one's made with cane sugar. I think all of them are.
I think they are. Except I don't. But Dad doesn't say. Dad doesn't say if it's cane sugar or not.
Well, I can't really compare this to anything I've ever had because it tastes different. It tastes so much different because I drink A&W and stuff, and that doesn't have cane sugar, I don't think.
Okay, so that one, we'll definitely say the other one's better than
This
that.
one's better.
Yeah, so this one's leading. So we'll put that as
So
number
this
one.
one is what is this?
Gene Autry. Gene
Yeah,
Autry
Gene
was an
Autry.
old country singer person.
Yeah.
Or was that Luke Gibson? I don't know. Anyway.
Pure cane sugar, also.
Here's the Triple X with pure cane sugar since 1895.
Oh, what is this? It's
I
like a
told
weird
you.
flavor.
Yeah, I don't like it. Almost tastes like sarsaparilla.
So this one I put first.
Okay.
This is like the first place I. This is the
Oh,
last
okay.
place.
All right. Here, try that one.
This is Triple X, trademark, registered, whatever. Pure cane sugar root beer. Yeah.
It's not as bad. I mean,
Tastes like different.
yeah.
Like,
Now we go with Dad's, which is famous. They've been around forever.
oh really?
Although they don't really say it, so maybe not as forever as some of these other brands.
Yeah, Triple X, I think. It's the one that said, yeah, 1895.
I don't know.
That's old fashioned root beer. Tastes.
Sioux City
I
root
don't
beer.
like
All
it.
the. You like Dad's?
So what, like
It's
that,
okay.
and that. Okay. All right, go ahead.
So this is like the end result of this side's best, this side's worst.
Yeah, and I hope we don't get sued by saying that Gene Autry root beer is. I hope that wasn't more than a quarter, because it was terrible.
It's not good.
Triple X, it's alright. This just had like a chemical burn to it.
It was like, oh wait, I need another taste. Like, it just doesn't taste good.
Why do you backwash so much? Isn't that
Oh.
soap fun? Yeah, it was terrible. It was triple. It's got a syrupy kind of flavor to it, but then it's like a bad aspirin or something. It kind of like has a little kickback. God damn it.
Pretty sure it was Dad's, but I thought like it tasted kind of grapey in a
Maybe.
way.
Yeah, a little. Maybe if you like have it over ice or something, it's better. But I had definitely though, Sioux City was the best.
Oh yeah, by far.
By
Sioux
far,
City was
by far the best. So if you're out there looking, we didn't get A&W, which is pretty good.
I still think IBC is probably the best. I like
Should have grabbed
IBC
the
a lot.
IBC. I forgot about that one, and I did see it there. We just forgot to grab it.
Oh yeah, well I already knew this.
Well, in your story, okay.
Yeah, but
So if you're out root beer shopping, we've eliminated 3 for you.
well, I mean, yeah, I would say so, but I don't know if I would get this out of any root beer.
So if you had more choices,
yeah, if I have like,
yeah, I got you.
IBC and stuff.
Well, thanks for
It's
inviting
all
me.
opinion based, but yeah, thanks for coming on the show. Yep. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, whatever. I'll see you.